Hey, good morning. It's Valentine's Day. I always have a difficult time trying to figure out what to do for Valentine's Day, especially after 20 years, but I think I nailed it this year. While I was out in the garage working on the van, I saw something over in the corner of the garage that I haven't used in a while. Um, Usually use it for garage sales and stuff. I got it really cheap a few years ago and I only used it a handful of times, but I think I can put it to use. Let's take a look. So this is what we got. Dun dun dun. A 10 by 10 gazebo. So the gazebo is not in the bag. Let's see what I did with it. For as long as I remember, my wife and I have kept our mattress on the floor, just like it is behind me over my shoulder there. Um, she's asked me a number of times to build a bed frame or a box or a floating bed or the one with the post, canopy bed. One of those things. Just really anything to get the mattress up off the floor, besides one of those old metal frames. And so I thought, well, I haven't had time to build one, so maybe I should just buy one. And I looked them up, and they're about $3,500, and they keep going up. You can spend tens of thousands of dollars on one if you want, but I don't. And so I thought I'd have to come up with something else. And I think I did. I came up with the perfect solution. So I hope she really likes it for Valentine's Day. I think it's pretty cool. But yeah, let's take a look at what I made in the shop, or what I got out of the shop anyway. I set it up already, and I'll give you a little peek from here as we go up. Ta-da! You got a canopy bed. Let's take a better look. Here we have a 10 foot by 10 foot. I think it's called a picnic gazebo or a picnic canopy or something like that. Anyway, it fits in here, almost up to the bookshelf and the dresser there. Fits nice and snug up against the wall. It even blocks the door of the ensuite over there. And I can't really extend it up because then I had to turn the fan off. But it fits. If we go underneath, we got a nice little roof overhead. The light makes it seem like the sunlight's peeking through. Feels like we're camping or something like that. I'm pretty sure she'll like it. Why wouldn't you? It's got a nice shade. And here, let's go lay down. Oh, there. It's like we're outside camping. Perfect. How could you not like that? Now that's a Valentine's Day gift. Can't wait till she gets back home and sees a new Valentine's Day gift or surprise in the bedroom. Hope she likes it. I don't really want to have to pack it back up and put it back in the garage. Just seems to sit in the corner doing nothing. But we'll see. Well, I thought having a campsite in the bedroom looked pretty cool and it felt awesome. But yeah, at least I've been working really hard on the van. Got a nice, comfy, warm spot to sleep for the night. And yeah. So, happy Valentine's Day. Hope you have a good time. Hopefully not down by the river in a van, but it's pretty comfortable. And yeah, I think it's time to head off to bed. I hope she doesn't find that propane fire underneath the bed. I wanted to do marshmallows tonight.